Hello, Assalam-o-alikum friends, welcome back to another new video. Let's start today's video immediately. So here on my computer screen I have a file which is around 6 GB and I want to copy this file into my USB drive, and I have 28 GB free on my USB drive, and I am right now pasting that file into my USB, but it is not pasting in my USB. It is saying that the file is too large for the destination. So what can I do now to solve this problem? I have to right click on my USB and format my USB in the NTFS file system, and then click on start format. So this will solve your problem, and make sure to keep all your data in the backup because this will erase all your USB data. And then right now you can copy that large file into your USB, because FAT32 file system does not allow large files to move into your USB. And now right now, as you can see, it is successfully pasting in your USB. So if this video is helpful for you, give us a thumbs up, and if you like our content and want to watch more content from us, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos immediately. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.